Let's talk about promotion. Everybody wants it, but where does it come from and how do you get it? Some people think that promotion comes from other people. So they spend their whole lives trying to impress their colleagues, their bosses, or their employees. Some people even have sold their souls to the devil because they think that promotion comes from below. God's will for your life will always lead you on the path of humility and submission. Don't make the mistake of thinking that the low path, the humble path, is the way for losers. Some people are so eager to be successful that they're climbing level by level with their hands and feet, promoting themselves with feverish urgency. But you should know that God is an elevator waiting for those who want to go higher than levels 1 or 2. And the way to get to God's elevator is to go down to the low place of humility. This is the path that Jesus walked, and it's the loftiest place in existence. The way up is down.